This time we work with more different video effects. Let's say this time we add min and max video effects. To add this one, simply click and drag it in your video footage. And now in the preview section here you see it looks like a oily effect. By changing the vertical range, you can add this effect more. Let's play this clip a little bit.
To fly, or you can have your phone. You have also a micro SD port which allows drone without even knowing anything about drones. There is a gimbal at the front, so
interesting, huh? Now let's remove this one. Now let's see another example. Now if you want to add mirror effect in your video clip, then simply click this mirror and drag it in your video footage. And look at this. You can change your mirror angle using this angle slider. Also, you can change the position of your mirror as well. Background color, by default it is selected black. If you want to change this background color, simply use this color picker. Pretty cool. Now let's add another effect, newsprint. Now I add this one and increase the value of dot size a little bit more. And color type, I choose offset color. And under presets here you see a bunch of different presets are also available. Let's play this clip now.
thing to fly, or you can have your phone, or you can have a remote. But we thing about this drone, it has a face recognition. Fly it and you can.
Awesome, right? Now let's add another video effects. Now if you want to add blur effect in your video footage, then simply select quick blur or radiant blur. Let's add a radiant blur. And now if I increase the value of strength slider, look, our video is blurred radially. Also you can move the position of this blurriness. Also you can change the blur type using this drop down menu. Now let's play this video.
How to fly the drone without even knowing anything about drones. There is a gimbal at the front, so you're...
Very interesting, right? Now let's see another effect. Now if you want to make your video a little bit sharper, to increase the sharpness, simply select this sharpen video effects. Click and drag it in your video footage and increase the value of amount.
Technology like this, if it works, I am highly impressed.
Yeah, let's
very sharp. This is the normal one and this is our sharp video footage. This time I just remove this one. Okay, let's add web. By simply adding this value of web, you can make your video more interesting.
The SD card, and you have also a micro SD port. Wave hands and do a lot of different things.
So funny, right? Also, if you want to add vignette effect in this video clip, then simply select vignette and drag and drop it in your video footage. Look, we just successfully add vignette effect in our video footage. Also, you can customize this as well.
About this drone, it has a face.
Lots of built-in video effects are available in this Vegas Pro software. I recommend you to come here and play around with these different type of video effects and customize them in your own way. Ultimately, it helps you a lot to make your video more interesting and professional. Thank you so much for watching.